Alright, so you can see that was a tough taking this thing out. Alright guys, so this exhaust is loose. Now we got lots of room down here now. That's what we want. And then we're gonna be swinging this rack and pinion down. So let's give this a try. There we go. Turn it like that, and then we're just gonna swing this, I'm guessing, this way.
Here we go, guys. This will come out on the driver's side.
Alright, so you can see that was a tough taking this thing out. Alright, let's match this with the new one. Let's go. Alright guys, so it looks the right one to me here. I ordered an outer tie rod already. It's on its way. I don't want to use this old one right here because this one is leaking already. And I cut the other end already on that side there. So it looks good to me. Looks like the right one. Make sure after installing this, needs to be a wheel alignment. So just kind of eyeball everything how it is now to the steering wheel. Make sure the steering wheel is straight. Alright guys, let's put this new one back in. So it's the same thing how it came out. We'll go in on the driver's side. It goes like this. Alright. Alright, here we go. This is the part when we had to swing this whole this inner rod here. We have to turn it all the way to the right so that it will go over this bar right here, because it's supposed to be goes in this side. Alright guys, so bend this inner tie rod here so it will go in here. Okay. Alright guys, so I have to turn this input shaft here 2 times so that this will get shortened, because this thing is hitting the bracket. So, and then after that we're gonna turn it back on the other way when everything is all lined up. It goes in there, come on. There you go. It goes like that. Alright. And then we're gonna turn that input shaft 2 times, and then we'll go back in the same position it was from before. So we're just gonna put all the brackets down here and then put the pressure and return hose, and we'll put the CV joint here to the column. Everything should line up. Alright guys, so I put the U-joint back in there. I'm gonna turn it to the left so that this outer rod here will extend to the left where it was from before. That's 1. And then a little bit more. And that's 2. There you go.